are definitely not in Mayberry.
Hey guys, welcome to Monster Mini Golf.
I'm excited about this.
For the grand opening of Monster Mini Golf here in Charlotte, North Carolina.
I can't wait for us to open the doors and go inside. Let's get ready to go on this Monster Mini Golf adventure that rocks.
I love how fun this is with all the painted windows and the balloons. It's so festive.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
It looks amazing in here. I can't believe it. So, for anyone that hasn't been to a Monster Mini Golf before, can you tell us some things about it?
Sure, absolutely. So we are an indoor black light, glow in the dark, mini golf, arcade, mini bowling, a laser maze attraction. Pretty much we have something for every age and every walk of life.
Digital scorecard. All you have to do, so it pops up where you have the digital scorecard for Charlotte. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to sign in with your information. That is super cool, so you don't have to worry about the little pencil everywhere you go.
All right, and here goes Sandy, our first shot out here at Monster Mini Golf.
Charlie Duke, the 10th astronaut to walk the moon, was born in Charlotte, North Carolina.
I did not know that.
You get to play putt-putt, you glow in the dark, and you learn a bit of history here.
And even though it has the monster aspect to it, it's for all ages, right?
All ages. They're more whimsical, not necessarily scary. They're supposed to be fun for everybody in a cool, different, quirky way.
This is Weird Radio, broadcasting live from Monster Mini Golf. It's time to test your golfing skills. Your next shot needs to be between your legs.
It's time.
Laser tag!
Sandy's gonna try to conquer that laser maze.
Bring it on,
Let's
baby.
follow her.
I can't do that. Alright, I am terrible at this. I would never be able to be in Ocean's 11. Alright, I did completely terrible at that. So now it's your turn, but let's see if you can beat my score.
Oh yeah! Ho ho ho! Let's do this. As you can see, there's lasers all around. Let's do this.
Oh, he's going underneath. I didn't do that. Oh! I'd say you won this one. You want to enter your name? And look, they'll send you the video too. It's so cool.
You guys are not officially done with all the artwork because you have something very special planned for behind me. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
We sure do. So, 2 of our birthday packages offer a special glow-in-the-dark handprint that will go right on the wall with your child's name and the date that they were here. So, for years to come, you can come back, see your handprint, remember how you had your awesome birthday party here at Monster Mini Golf, and it will give a beautiful glow-in-the-dark experience here in this hallway.
And that handprint, like you said, it's here forever.
Here forever.
So, like, you can get it tomorrow, and 10 years from now, come back and point to that's my handprint here at Monster Mini Golf.
100%. Memories galore forever. Yep.
That's amazing.
Love it. He's not very good at this.
The artwork in here is really cool, and as Sandy does her shot, and you wonder why the elephant, as Sandy pointed out, it helps tell the history about North Carolina, as it's illegal to plow cotton fields with an elephant.
much to do here.
So just make sure to allow yourself time to take it all in.
I'm beating you on this one. So check out these party rooms. These are so much fun. Any kid is going to want to have a party in here.
What is Sandy talking about? Any adult would love to have a party in here.
Right.
Bring it on, Sandy. Send out the invites. And one of the things I love is, like you said, you're indoors.
Indoors.
Weather, not a problem.
Not a
in here.
problem. Too hot, no problem. Raining, no problem. Too cold, no problem.
Check out the torches that are painted on each of the columns. Gives it that really spooky Halloween haunted horror house.
I wanted to point out, when you get into the shopping center, if you have trouble finding Monster Mini Golf, it is on the second floor. Those balloons may not be there because it is the grand opening, but definitely look for the yellow painted windows with the monsters on it. All right, Sandy's got to spin.
Behind the back. Attempt your first shot holding the putter behind your back. Alright, Rock's turn.
Big money, big
Big
money.
money.
Big money, big money, big money. All right.
Bowling putt. Roll the ball with your hand instead of using the putter on your first shot. Easy. Is there somebody behind me?
No, not at all.
I think there's somebody behind me.
Nope, not at all. Just keep golfing. Just keep golfing.
Shoot. Shoot. Alright, so you could choose all different games. You don't just have to do bowling here. It's pretty cool.
And best of all about this bowling, you don't need to get those fancy rental shoes. You know what I mean? Sandy for the final shot.
Look, it glows those hats. It's full of gold, including that big one on top. That is so cool. This was so much fun.
Yes, I'm loving this. Parking is easy. When you get here, go to the top floor of the parking deck and you are just steps away from the front entrance.
That was so much fun.
What an amazing job in there. You
Yeah.
would never expect, behind all the yellow paint, all the
Surprises.
decor in there is unbelievable.
Yeah, the art that they created on those walls just popped and was incredibly impressive.
And I wish we got a shot of one of the back of their shirts that said, "Wimps, play in the daylight. I mean, it's so cool in there.
Yeah.
What an experience.
Yeah, it would definitely go. You will not be disappointed by coming here to the university area in Charlotte.
Yeah, adults makes a great date night.
Yeah, and they have party rooms.
Yeah, bring the kids.
Yeah.
The party rooms. I want to party in there.
Me too.
The kids are gonna love it, especially if they're into Halloween and they want to do it all year round or have that excuse.
Yeah.
The party rooms are outstanding.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for having us out here, Monster Mini Golf. Definitely check it out. If you haven't liked and subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because you never know where we're going to end up next. And as we always say, make each and every day, including those that maybe have monsters in them, an adventure that rocks.